Welcome to Textile Technology Channel.
Smart Group, an internationally recognized and award-winning industrial conglomerate headquartered in Chittagong, Bangladesh. Established in year 2000 as a small plant, our RMG division has expanded rapidly with a consistent record of excellence in all phases of its businesses. Now we have numerous factories with diversified RMG and textile products. Apparel Promoters Limited, Smart Jeans Limited, Smart Jacket Limited, Globe Textile Mills Limited, Chittagong Denim Mills Limited. Let's take a virtual tour through our various facilities and concerns. Apparel Promoters is a leading woven manufacturer in the country. The 400,000 square feet RMG production plant is equipped with state-of-the-art machineries with a capacity of producing 14 lakh pieces per month. The company has achieved numerous global certifications. Apparel Promoters provides apparel solutions to some of the leading brands in the world. Smart Jeans is one of the premium denim sourcing destination for the top jeans makers around the world. Located at Kalurghat, Chittagong, the factory has a total land area of approximately 200,000 square feet and employs around 2,500 people. Smart Jeans is one of the premium denim sourcing destinations for the top jeans makers around the world. Smart Jacket Limited is the backbone of Smart Group. What started as a small plant in the year 2000 became a multi-million-dollar revenue earner with a number of garment factories built throughout the following decade, comprising the most modern state-of-the-art machineries. Now, the company has a total area of 360,000 square feet and employs around 5,000 workers. The 100% export-oriented company has a production capacity of 500,000 jackets, 400,000 bottoms, and 200,000 caps per month. The company has emerged as industry leaders within decades due to dedication to quality product and timely delivery. A thorough quality management system helmed by dynamic and enthusiastic leadership. Globe Textile Mills Limited is another concern of Smart Group. The modern factory is located in CEPZ, Chittagong. Globe Textile Mills produces premium paddings for international brands. The paddings are made from 100% recycled polyester fibers with acrylic resins. Our products have received Standard 100 certification from Ocotex. Chittagong Denim Mills Limited is an unique and integral part of Smart Group of Industries. The 540,000 square feet modern facility is located in Gazipur. Chittagong Denim Mills Limited established a formidable presence in the global jeans industry just within a few years of its inception. The factory now produces 36 million yards of jeans fabric every year. With the aim to produce the best quality sustainable denim fabric, Chittagong Denim Mills Limited is focused on the latest process and technologies to produce the finest product at a reasonable cost. Our modern specialized factory produces a wide range of premium quality denim fabric including 100% cotton denim, cotton and poly denim, cotton lycra stretch denim, cotton polyester and spandex stretch denim, mercerized denim and more. Chittagong Denim Mills has achieved global standards in quality, cost, service and scale of operation and has been certified by numerous global certifications. We are dedicated to our responsibility to the environment. To reduce pollutions, we have installed world-class ETP and WTP facilities in our factories. Smart Group also has a foothold in the food, media and the stock exchange through Smart Bioinception Limited, the Daily Purbodesh and Smart Share and Securities Limited. Our unmatched dedication and our aspiration towards excellence have helped us become a multiple-time national award-winning company with $550 million in revenue. Smart Group is fully committed to international, social and environmental standards, and we are the recipient of multiple international certifications. Smart Group, unmatched excellence, endless innovation.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.